This is Andy with QualityStocks. Today is Monday, June 7th, 2010, and we're going to take a look at VIVK. It's a NASDAQ bulletin board stock trading under the ticker VIVK. Going to put this on an alert for a possible reversal. We want to see what happens here with this candle from Friday. See a slight increase in volume, and this is basically a bullish harami. It's a two-day reversal pattern. A harami is not the strongest reversal pattern in the world, but it is worthy of keeping an eye on. You see we're getting the MACD histogram trying to break above zero. We're in a downtrend, but we want to see this turn now. Right here is where we would like to see this break. This is where we talk about the positive divergence, where it came through. It's trending towards. It did get a nice big pop. I don't know if that was news or what happened, but it hasn't held. Obviously, it's slipped back down. Now we're going to look for another reversal. PPO. Kind of mimicking the MACD a little bit. We're seeing the histogram trending towards zero again, which hopefully we're going to see the bullish cross. The ADX is in a good position to try and reverse and go for a trend. Right now it's in what they call a trading zone. We want to see this trend back up and move north and put it into a trend. Hopefully you'll see a true reversal. There must have been a significant amount of buying on this day, especially with the gap up. See the money flow. The MFIs all turned and made a nice move. Accumulation distribution is flattened, even though there was a downtrend, coming down pretty quick. We see the ADX still held basically a channel where it just kind of trended sideways, which is a good indication of another possible bottom. Same way with Chaikin money flow. Tricks, of course, we refer to all the time as being slow, but we're going to look for this to start to, smooth this gap out a little bit between the two and start to curl. Full stow still in a very good position. CCI right around -100. Everything is set up for this to possibly reverse. Of course, the RSI is another thing we always look at. Great position. See, they've been channeling sideways also, even with the downtrend. We're going to look for this to try and break through. We're going to look for the 7 to push through first and try and pull the 14 and 21s with it and get this 350, get it up into a bullish area. From a support and resistance standpoint, of course, we're going to try and look at 25 to hold as our 0.25 to hold as an ultimate bottom. If this comes down and wants to drop a shadow or what have you, we really want to see it hold 0.25. We're looking for volume to continue to pick up. First and foremost, I put just a short trend line on this. I want to see that fall. I want to see it hold this base, and I want to see it break through this. It's about a 1-month trend line. I want to see it get through there and start to move north. Pull that back off so we can see the resistance levels a little bit better. It's going to see some right through here. Move that down a hair. It's going to see some resistance right through this area. About where it hit a high on Friday. The high was 0.38. It's going to see some right through there. It's going to be a little bit more significant right here around 0.44. This is the area when it breaks that trend line, comes up through this. You can also see there's the middle Bollinger Band going to be sitting right in its way. That's a key area that we want to see VIVK push through and then make a move. 0.5 is we refer to it constantly as a whole number, being a pretty good source of resistance. Just in classic TA and classic trading, it's a psychological area. So it's definitely going to run into more there, but I would believe that if volume stays strong and it can take out the 0.44 area and the middle Bollinger Band, it'll have a very good chance at running through 5, which is we're at 3.7 right now, so that's still pretty significant gains. What we're looking for is this to actually have made a true bottom and start to trend north. So this is what we want to see VIVK do here in the near future, and we'll look for a push today. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Take a look at VIVK.